Let's go thrifting at the Goodwill Bins. Came a few minutes too late. They pulled all the old stuff off the wall and now they're refilling it, but at least I get to go dig through the new stuff. Sorry y'all, I have been shopping and visiting with the other shoppers and not filming, but I found a good bit of stuff. Look at this set, the creamer and this little piece. Oh, this is a gravy boat, a creamer, and this is probably for sugar or whatever. It needs to be cleaned up, but I think it also has some crazing and some staining, which I really like. Y'all, I am so sad. I found these on top here and immediately grabbed them, and they said they had just dumped an entire bin of these. Look at this beautiful patina. I might ask the workers if maybe I could have them if they're not all broken, because if you've ever seen them dump the bins, they literally dump all these bins and a lot of stuff gets broken. Also, I'm just noticing this. Oh, that's broken. That's not gonna work. This piece is really heavy, so I think this is gonna be something I keep for myself, because there's no way I want to ship that. That's probably 10 pounds right there. I never pass up a good glass cloche, so I got that. And look how beautiful this little brass piece is. I think it's brass. Kind of has a copper look to it. I don't know, what y'all think? This is brass or copper? And then two things for me. Look at this little slim bottle koozie. I think that's a good brand, but I like the color of it, so grab that. And then I actually have this backpack. It is one of our favorite hiking backpacks, and this is a little fanny pack, and it matches the orange one that we have, so I grabbed that for us. All right, they're going to get a manager to see if they can get me these. They are so nice over here. They did go check, but she told me they've already been dumped, whatever that means. I didn't ask her to elaborate, but she did go look for them for me, and apparently they're dumped, whatever that means. So that is unfortunate, because those are absolutely beautiful. Oh, that is cute. Okay, I might need that. I have a little bag down here for Ren because Waylon has a soccer game tonight, so I've been collecting little things that she likes to play with, and I'm gonna put them all in this lunchbox. So that'll be great. I was looking for a cute little bag for her. Oh, look, the little Play Dollar General shopping bag. That's adorable. Lots of books here today. I needed books yesterday and they didn't have any here. Tell you what, they have lots of toys here lately, so if you're on a tight budget, you're looking for some toys, definitely come check out the Goodwill Bins. This is a Kate Spade computer bag. Oh, I wish it was bigger. My computer is definitely longer than this, but I could absolutely use a new computer bag. The one I have right now is not cute at all. It's a cute little Nike shirt. What size is this? A 6. I don't even think that would fit Ren. I bet there's some amazing wood pieces under here, but look at all the staples. I definitely don't want to try to get this fabric off. I absolutely need the sweatshirt for my teenage daughter. Slaying it. Slay! She is totally gonna love that. This basket looks interesting. I don't know, it's all like misshapen and stuff. Not sure. Looks like they have some pillows right here, golf clubs, some very large wings, 2 sets of them. These are probably really expensive, brand new. What is this? I do have a good bit of hard goods today mixed in with all of the clothing. I need a smaller one like this, a clear purse to bring when we go to events at the Lander Center, because they do not let you bring in bigger purses. What is this? Southern Living annual recipes. I actually just picked up some Southern Living Christmas editions like this. There's a bunch of kids books. Here's some more Southern Living annuals, but I think I've kind of looked through everything, and I need to head out because I got to go pick up Ryan from cheer practice. I got to go pick up Ren from school, and then we have to head to a Wayland soccer game. So I have a very busy afternoon. What is this? So I need to go get in line and check out. I need to stop looking. I did get some good stuff today. I just was not very good at filming for y'all. I'm sorry. Sometimes I start chit-chatting and forget that I'm supposed to be filming. These are beautiful, and oh, I'm so sad that we could not rescue the rest of these. Oh, they are so beautiful. But anyway, I hope y'all enjoyed this little thrifting adventure. I got Ren's little lunch box full of goodies for her spring to the soccer game. So I will see y'all. Oh, Ryan's gonna love that. I can't wait to give it to her. I will see y'all in the next thrifting adventure. Bye, guys. Oh, they changing out the bins now. I gotta go though. I gotta go. Right, I'm waiting in line to check out, and I can't help but dig. And I found 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Did I count that right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 5 of these beautiful pillow covers. They're actually Sonoma, which I think is from Kohl's. But I love the twill. I think that's what it's called. The texture and the pattern on here. I think it is so pretty. I don't have anywhere that I need pillows in my house, so I'm gonna put these up on the website as well. So if y'all looking for 5 pillow covers, I got y'all covered.